This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your system runs UEFI, not legacy BIOS, and that you have a Windows installer or recovery USB handy. Power off, then power on and repeatedly press ESC or F2 to enter the Asus BIOS. Once inside, immediately disable fast boot so settings persist and set an administrator password. This unlocks secure boot controls. Make sure you note current boot mode and CSM settings because secure boot requires UEFI active. Don't skip these checks. Once done entering the correct firmware area, navigate to Advanced, then Boot, and open the Secure Boot submenu. Change boot mode from Legacy/CSM to UEFI if it isn't already. Secure boot requires UEFI, so this is crucial. Next, set Secure Boot from other OS to Windows UEFI or simply enable it depending on your BIOS labels. Save intermediate settings only after confirming boot mode. Making these changes ensures the firmware will validate signed bootloaders and kernel drivers during startup. You finish by saving the BIOS changes and rebooting to confirm the OS boots successfully under Secure Boot. If Windows won't boot, immediately enter BIOS, disable Secure Boot, and restore previous settings so you can troubleshoot safely. Make sure your boot disk uses GPT and Windows has appropriate UEFI boot files, update drivers, and run startup repair if needed. When certificate problems appear, use the Restore Factory Keys option in the Secure Boot menu to reload Microsoft keys. This often resolves validation failures without further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.